Here in the video, we will share the details for the GetUpside Error Code 403. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users are kicked out of the app. When they try to log back in, the app shows this error and doesn't let them access their account. According to our research, the error is likely caused by using a VPN, an outdated app version, or a server-side issue. In some cases, it may also happen if the app flags your IP address as suspicious. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try logging into the app again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if the GetUpside app needs an update. If there's any pending update, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then make sure you are not using a VPN. If you are, disable it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try connecting to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably coming from the servers. In that case, you should wait for some time and try again. The issue should get resolved soon. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.